everyone, how's it going? My name is Michelle and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. On my channel, I post videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell because I upload new videos every single week. So for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about my Louis Vuitton Petit Noe and give you guys a 6-month review about how this bag has been holding up. I can't believe it's been 6 months already because I got this bag back in November 2020 and time is literally flying. I've used this bag though pretty much every single day, or every weekday at least, if I'm heading into the office for work, because it really does fit all of my needs. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know how this bag has been holding up, let you guys know some things that I still really like about the bag, some things that I would change about the bag, and also answer any questions that you guys might have submitted through my Instagram stories. So first things first, I wanted to go ahead and show you how this bag has been holding up. I'm going to show you what the vachetta looks like on my bag, just because I know someone did ask that on Instagram. So let's go ahead and show you right now. So here is what my bag looks like. I do have some water spots, as you can see, like right over here. And I do have some really light scratches as well. Right over here I have this one, and then some more little spots right over here. And of course it's vachetta, so that's why some people don't really want this bag or are afraid to use vachetta, because of like these stains that you can get on the bag. I honestly don't even know what this one is, but it really doesn't bother me when I have stains or water spots right over here. I also have a scratch right over here that I don't even know if you guys noticed, but I've had this one since I've actually unboxed the bag, just because I remember when I was so excited to receive this bag, I immediately like put it on my shoulder and then I put it into the front, and I was wearing a Tory Burch belt, and that's how I got this scratch, because my belt buckle scratched it right over here. But yeah, for the most part you can't even tell I have those types of water spots or scratches on my bag from afar. And yeah, I'm not gonna baby this bag just because of the vachetta. But as far as the other parts of the bag, here is what the edge looks like. So here I do have nothing, pretty much. This side looks perfect, but on the other side I do have these little spots right over here. But again, if you're wondering, I actually don't spray my bags with anything like Apple Guard or anything like that. I just let it do its thing, and I let it age on its own, let it patina, but I don't use anything to repel water or anything like that. And I know there's a lot of vachetta on this bag, so that's why a lot of people don't usually go for this bag, but it's such a beautiful bag, and it's a really great medium-sized tote bag. And again, here's the handle, which the shoulder strap, which I do love so much, just because it's thick. As you can see, it's thick and wide, and when I carry a lot of things in it, it really is just the comfiest strap that I have. And yeah, that's pretty much what the handle looks like. I haven't actually moved the strap, so this is where it has been the entire time that I've had this bag. I think it's on the second to shortest setting. But yeah, the strap is holding up very nicely, and here's what this part looks like. So there's no splitting of the leather right over here. And let's also show you the drawstring right over here. So this is actually holding up very nicely too, and I actually tie and untie this very frequently as well. And here is what the trim of this part, the opening, looks like, and this one is always being opened and closed as well, and as you can see, it's still looking pretty good. And lastly, of course, the bottom of the bag. So here's what the bottom of the bag looks like. For the most part, everything looks pretty good. I think the only thing is, if you take a closer look here at the corners or the edges, that's where you can kind of see like dirt, but I think I can clean that. Didn't really try. But here is this corner, and this corner here. But yeah, I mean, as far as any changes I would make to the bag though, I would add little feet to this bag just so that if I do set down my bag, the vachetta doesn't have to lay directly on the surface, but it could be protected by the studded feet. But other than that, I have no other problems with this bag. I actually do really love it still. Pretty much everything that I mentioned in my 5 reasons why you should get this bag still holds true. This shoulder strap is still amazing. It's so comfy when you hold it on your shoulder. There's no bag sag with this bag, so as you can see, even if I take out the organizer, I'm pretty sure this is what it would still look like holding all of my stuff, because the bottom is reinforced with leather. This bag hasn't changed in price. It's still $1,400 on Louis Vuitton, and with all of the other like price increases that have happened in Louis Vuitton, this one is still true at $1,400. So yeah, it's a really great price for a medium-sized tote bag, and I'm really just surprised and wondering like why it hasn't even increased in price. So for $1,400, I would definitely say the Louis Vuitton Petit Noe is definitely worth it for its price. I use it pretty much every single day that I'm heading into the office, so every weekday, or if I do need to carry a little bit more than usual, I'll go ahead and aim for this bag. The only time I don't really take it out is obviously when it's raining, just because I'm not going to bring out my vachetta bag in the rain, but instead I'll go ahead and take out my Speedy 30 in demi bean, because that one's a little bit more weatherproof. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I do have an organizer for this bag, and I still have that same organizer here, and this one is from Orgeta, and having a organizer for this bag is just definitely a game changer, just because this bag is definitely just a black hole, and there's nothing in here to go ahead and organize except for a D-ring that I don't even really use because I have my organizer. This bag can hold so much. It even holds my Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover. It holds a full-size wallet, my mini pochette right over here, and also sunglasses, as you can see, and just like all of my other things. If you guys are interested in what I keep inside of my bag, I do have a lot of YouTube videos about what fits inside, and also what fits inside of my bag too, so go ahead and check those out if you're interested. My organizer is actually from Orgeta, and I ordered it in the color brown. But yeah, this one is in such good quality, and it also helps keep the interior of the bag clean. But if you're looking for something to prevent bag sag, I don't think you really need one, because the bottom is reinforced with leather. So yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Petit Noe. I still love everything about this bag. I definitely think it's worth it for $1,400. It's a great medium-sized tote bag with a very comfortable shoulder strap. It can hold so much. But yeah, if I could change one thing, I would definitely change the bottom and put some little feet on the bottom, just so that the leather doesn't have to sit directly on any surface, and that the leather can be protected. Overall, 6 months, this bag is holding up very well, and I don't regret buying this bag. If you guys remember, I actually bought this bag thinking that, oh, I just wanted to see how it's going to be and see if I like it and just return it if I don't like it, but I ended up loving this bag, and I use it pretty much every single day. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them about this bag. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!